Tuesday, the 11th of February, so I'm going to be doing an update for you on XRP. It's quite a really big attacker as we're looking at it here. What happened is that we are low, we are pullback on the CryptoQuebec indicator. We formed a double top, but we did have volume, so we made a higher high. And then we held off. This is on the weekly, okay? This candle here, there's about a week's difference between them. So we came back for a double top, ding on the indicator. And if you see, we tried to hold support. There was actually quite a bit of volume, and then we dropped all the way down to $1.70. Wow, $1.70 for XRP. That was truly a steal of a deal. But normally, when we have a big drop like that, there's a rebound, and we'll try to retest the higher high again. But that just didn't happen. So what that tells me is that it's entirely possible that it will come back to retest this level. And we're going to be looking at that a bit lower on a slightly smaller time frame. So this long wick here, this is where we drop down. We dropped down to $1.69. There were some really good opportunities to be had here. And then look at the indicator. I want you to see this right here. This is the CryptoQuebec indicator, okay? So you push, you make a higher high, you can have a pullback on the indicator. You come back on the indicator to the indicator, and a close inside the indicator. That means you're going to come back to this line here. So you try it, you rebound, you finally make the top again. Finally, this indicator, it's easy. You buy the dip, you sell the rally. Super easy strategy. So you're looking for even higher prices. So we dropped, closing inside the cloud that you see here. Bam. Rebound. We went super low there. Rebound. Normally on a big rebound even, we come back to it.
Presently, for XRP, all I can see is to buy on the dip because we're kind of between two levels. It's not a good time to trade XRP. XRP doesn't have a lot of volatility, so we're having difficulty discerning the movement. Because it's an upward movement, because it's a downward movement, it's almost impossible to see right now. You see, it hasn't moved for 5 days. We're on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 days. Nothing is happening, but we need volatility. So it might go down slowly, and when it gets here, in my opinion, around the $2 mark, that's where the explosive move will happen. And if there's an explosive move, that rhymes with Crypto-Quebec. We're going to be a part of that explosion. So that's what I see for XRP. I think XRP will come to test the $2 level, and that will be an excellent entry point for the bull run. So if you like this type of video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I make videos every day, on what I see in the market and on the tokens and the trades that I take. So I'll say thank you very much and see you soon.